Hey everyone, this is Kyler from Sherwood Dodge. Today I'm going to show you our all-new 3-liter Eco Diesel. So let's take a look under the hood and I'll show you some of our specs and dimensions. New to our half-ton lineup, we have a powerful intercooled turbo diesel V6 3-liter engine powering an 8-speed automatic transmission. This offers up to 260 horsepower, 400 pounds-to-feet of torque, and 12,560 pounds of towing. Okay, so taking a look at this Eco Diesel model, it is in the Laramie Longhorn trim. However, the Eco Diesels are available to all of our trim packages. So in this one in particular, you have your wood paneling all throughout, matching the brown interior. You have heated and ventilated seats in both front and passenger, and in the rear as well. You have a 12-inch touchscreen, which you can also separate for your climate controls on the bottom and your apps and configurations on the top. You have your trailer brake control, your traction control, tow haul group, parking front and rear sensors. You also have extra storage space located below where you can charge your phone. And there's a port for that, USB ports. Here's your shift dial with 4-wheel auto, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel high, 4-wheel low. Your push to start button with wood decals all throughout the trimming of the truck. You also have that wood decal on your steering wheel here. Cruise control with automated cruise control located right beside it. You have your gear limit ratio and hands-free calling right here. If you take a look at your driver's side door, you have passenger settings 1 and 2. So if you have 2 people in the family, it's a great setting to pair. Taking a look inside, plenty of storage space all throughout. You have your moonroof settings here, garage settings there. So let me show you an angle of the back. So in this Laramie Longhorn trim, you have extra storage space in your back passenger seats. You can also lift that up with cup holders available here. You can also recline these seats backwards so you can lean back on your long getaways. You have heated seats and ventilated seats in your back, plus some cup holders, and the Laramie Longhorn trim runs all throughout. Full panoramic sunroof for your all your passengers to be comfortable. So let me show you a little bit of the box and we'll wrap this up. Taking a look here, we have our power deployable sidebars here, sprayed in box liner in your back, and you also have a deployable tailgate here, all sprayed in box liner, LED lighting for when you're towing and hauling in the dark. You have your Ram badging in chrome there, as well as 4x4 tow haul receiver there, rear parking sensors, your Laramie Longhorn. This Eco Diesel has it all. So if you guys are looking for something new and improved, this is the model for you. Ask for Kyler here at Sherwood Dodge. You can reach me at 780-410-4100, or you can message me directly at Kyler at Sherwood Dodge. Thanks guys.